Hi everyone, Flick here with the gorgeous Victoria.
Hi.
We have just been filming some workouts, and always when we're filming and preparing some new stuff for you, it always gives us a little bit more thought and time to think about what tips we can give you. So we thought, well, we'll give you a couple more. So today we're going to think about balancing, and I know that's challenging for lots of us. So here are a few little ideas and tips that you can tweak to get better balance. So Victoria's going to take an arabesque. So the first thing to think of with arabesque is always about good alignment. So making sure that we're not swinging this hip back, because that immediately is going to throw us off our supporting leg. Exactly, so staying forward. Now, you're going to pull up this kneecap. So if you let it go for me, Victoria, you can see instantly we lose the stabilisation of the ankle joint, the knee joint. So pulling up from that supporting leg, always drawing the tummy in through to the spine. And then the last thing to think about, I'll come up on Pointe here, is about focusing on one spot in front of you. So not allowing your eyesight, your visuals to just wander around, to feel absolutely focused. Gazing over the line of your middle finger really helps. Checking your side arm is nice and forward. And then everybody just breathing in, feeling like you're floating up, lifting up. And there's your beautiful balance. I know it feels like it's probably easier said than done, and believe you me, we fall off plenty times, but those are great tips to ensure that the falling off is much less than the standing and staying on your leg. Have fun practicing that, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.